Honey, I'm finishing that for you.
Benji.
Skills.
While nurturing parenting and a calm home reduces stress, which can actually help protect children's health.
The anger management and stress reducing skills in this lesson are really easy to learn, and with a little practice, you'll see an improvement in your home right away.
So let's get started. Today we'll learn to 1. Effectively manage stress. 2. Recognize anger trigger patterns and go to perceptions that trigger anger.
Manage stress.
4.
Jerry,
Emotion
Hmm.
coach our
if you can
children
answer the
by
questions,
helping
you
them
get $5.
identify and express feelings
But if
appropriately.
you don't, then you'll have to
These
rewatch
skills
it
will help you
again.
have more peaceful family relationships and more pleasant, emotionally resilient kids. It's a win-win for everybody. Paris and Lindsay,
And the best news is, it's doable. We can do it.
Even if you've been a hothead in the past and had a bad temper, you can rewire your brain to become a peacemaker. That gives you power.
So we're going to learn some really good ideas on getting rid of the stress that makes us angry in the first place.
Then we'll learn how to deal effectively and peacefully with the rest of the things that make us mad.
By first, finding the emotional triggers that enrage us.
Second, learning how to rewire our brain with some calmer responses.
Everybody knows that hotheads are ineffective.
When you get mad, your brain slows down. No, really, I mean it. Your brain slows down.
Anger triggers a fight or flight response. Your body starts pumping out cortisol and adrenaline.
That diverts blood from your brain to your large muscles, so you can run or fight. The result, parts of your brain slow down.
You actually act more stupid.
So stick with us, and together we'll learn how to